So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been feeling a little bit of pain on my joints and my muscles. I don't know what's going on. I like to blame the change in weather because now we're going deep into winter. But anyway, the fact of the matter is an awesome brand reached out to me. MUJO, I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And I am about to use both of these because I really could use the relief. My muscles are aching. So if you know anybody who is suffering from arthritis, for example, this brand would be absolutely perfect. Look no further than my description box down below for a special code where you can get these products for a fraction of the price. How's the cooking going?
I'm done.
Good. Yummy! Can you get out of the frame quickly? Yes, you get out of the frame. What do you mean? It's the same thing as me. Copycat. Finishing your food?
This one out, guys?
I was doing laundry. Let me put them in the dryer. Yeah, I only have one batch today. I figured if I split it up, it won't be as much when because it's myself and one other little person.
Yeah, a good idea.
Thank you. I'm a smart cookie.
Yes, you are.
That took a little long to come out of you.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I was thinking of something naughty to say.
Don't say anything naughty. I'm vlogging. That's funny. That's actually so funny. All the Magogos will hear you saying naughty things. That's crazy, bro. Oh! It's like a measure for love saying naughty things.
If I like say naughty things to you, play around with you, then they know that.
That's so funny, babe. Did you hear that, Magogos? Your Mzukuru says that if he says naughty things and is flirtatious, then you should know that he loves you.
Actually, talking to them.
I'm vlogging and they watch.
Ah.
Yeah. Everybody and their mama should know that this is my song. We are on our way to Gateway Mall, where there's the Starry Nights and walk through the trees. Basically, you place a bidding for each tree. They start from like $500. They're between $500 and $600, and they're valued at over $1,000. And you can donate these to a charity or any other organization that you want. And the organization that's actually hosting this event is a homeless shelter here in Lincoln. Well, and they're also going to be selling some ornaments, some wreaths for your Christmas trees, so that you can, you know, support a good cause. And there's going to be a free photo booth. I'm so excited for that. And just like walking through Christmas trees, I think that's just so vibey. I like that idea that are already decorated. And I want to see the candy one. That's my absolute favorite one. I want to see how they did that. Is it like chocolate? I think they made the ornaments out of chocolate or something, because I don't know. I'm just so intrigued. I want to see it all. Or maybe it's just like a name for it that is so colorful that they named it after candy. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, this is my outfit of the day. It doesn't really matter anyway, because if you slay, you're gonna have to put on a big coat on top, because we're literally dead in winter now. Yeah, that's why I don't like winter, because I can't really slay. My favorite time of the year is fall, obviously, because you can just layer it with a light, you know, little sweater or cardigan. But winter, there's no such thing, baby. Like, you have to cover up completely. So yeah, I sound so tired, don't I?
Yeah, you do.
I'm tired. I just want to sleep.
That's okay, you know.
It's okay to be tired.
Yeah, it's okay to be tired.
You always affirm me. I like you. Wow, Libby, look at this tree. It's so pretty. The land of sweets. Okay, Mama. Oh, I like this one. Can you see the candy at the bottom? I like that. It's fancy. That's funny. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Yeah. I'm absolutely obsessed with the kaleidoscope one. Look at those colors. Life update. That was a very cute and short stop at Gateway Mall. I don't know. I don't like this thing that some people do, that when you see a person of color, you start following them around. Like, dude, do you really expect me to lift up a tree and run off with it in the opposite direction? Like, are you serious right now? But yeah, that was strange. I actually ended up leaving. I would have loved to stay a bit longer to just like take it all in, because I really love Christmas trees and just being in the Christmas spirit. And I actually saw like one tree that's being sponsored by Josh the Oder. Josh the Oder is like a organization that teaches like the littles how to float on open water. And they started this organization when, God rest his soul, their little baby, his name was Josh. He had just turned 2 or 3, I can't remember, but he was a toddler. Yeah, you know how these accidents go. They just found him unresponsive one afternoon in the pool, the family pool. So they decided just in his honor to start that organization. And then if you buy the tree, you get like a bracelet from Tiffany & Co. as well. I thought that was a nice touch. But just organizations like that are taking part in this. I just wanted to stay a bit longer and just take it all in, but it's okay. The important thing is that we enjoyed and we saw trees. Yeah. Gonna go home and eat. So excited. Also, I love your cooking. It's so delicious. Oh, the sun. Fire. What a beautiful cup. I'm gonna love you and leave you on this note, because I actually want to start a new vlog now. Also, took out the birds. They had to go. Be sure you take care of yourselves and your mental health.